Hi, welcome back. We are going to be looking at Waverly chalk paint today and how it covers in one coat and what that coverage looks like. So I have a little sample here to show you. So this is Waverly chalk paint agave on this side and Waverly chalk paint lavender on the other side. It's covering really well. Just going to be dipping right into my jar. It's also covering really nicely over here. A little bit better because the lavender is just a little bit lighter than the agave. So it had really good coverage. You can see it covered a little bit better over the lavender than it did over the agave. We'll see if we have to do 2 coats after this dries. So join me back here a little bit later today. We will be looking at how these dried and also putting some embellishments on them. See you soon.